If your Honda sounds like this, I have the solution for you. It sounds like cam. It sounds like crankshaft. It sounds like diesel. Okay. Now, in a Honda, if you have anything like over 100,000 miles on this particular V6, that timing belts on it, when it's cold, sounds like this, and then warm up, and that noise go away or lower, or even though you step on your gas, and even hear the knocking sounds higher pitched than this. Okay, so on that case, let me show you this little boy here. Okay, the tapping sound is you having is this right here when high pitch, knocking down right there. And now you can hear that the timing belt is flapping. And when you hear step on the gas and you hear high pitch sound like a crank shaft, or you know, like bearing shaft, or anything like that knocking, because this thing here is tapping with the tensioner wheel bearing thing. So that's why you're hearing that noise. So today I'm going to replace this, but I'm going to check to see timing belt is good and water pump's good. Other than that, I will put this tensioner in only. Okay, see the tensioner just right here, 2 bolt, but you can't just take this 2 bolt and put the tensioners in, because if you take the tensioner out, in case the 2 cam up there is spinning, then you lost your timing mark, then you're in trouble. So you have to take this timing cover out. So when you take this timing cover, you have to take this serpentine belt tensioner here out too, to be able to take the timing cover on the top. And to do that, you have to take the top cover, take the bottom cover, make sure everything's good before you even removing the tensioner. So you can see how loose my timing belt is. See that? It's flapping. Okay, because the tensioner is not pulling this timing belt, so that's why this belt is loose. The timing belt is pretty decent. It's old, but that's not the point that I changing right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set my cam to mark first before I taking the timing belts out. I mean tensioner, because I don't want this belt to be jumped when I losing my tension over here. So make sure there's a mark right here. Okay, make sure that one's straight to where the mark out there, and the one down here is the same thing. Make sure number 6 right there is straight to the little arrow mark up there. Best thing is using something to hold this cam, like 17mm wrench, to holding this 2 cam to not jump. But when you do it, you can see it before you put your tensioner, tighten your tensioner. So make sure you check one more time. Okay, now my tension is off. So now my new one's in. So I'm gonna tighten that up first, and then I will check my timing to see if that timing's on the mark. Okay. Alright. Okay, the one down here is still straight. Okay. This mark right there is still there. Okay. So now my timing is safe to release the tensioner. Okay. So no more tapping noise. Okay. It's about an hour, 2 hour job. If you just taking the tensioner without doing the other stuff, then probably 10 minutes, but it's not safe to do so. So we have to take everything out to make sure, mark everything's there, and to get it safe. Besides, sorry, when you're sorry on this engine costs over $1,500 probably. Okay. All right, thank you for watching. So now you know that your car is not burnt cam or crank. It's just the tensioner that it doesn't work, so that's why it's tapping like that. Okay. Don't forget to help me subscribe. Bye bye now.